Today, we're diving into the Panasonic NE-12523 1200-watt compact commercial microwave oven, a powerhouse of convenience for commercial kitchens. Let's start with its dimensions, measuring at 20 inches in depth, 16.63 inches in width, and 13.19 inches in height, making it compact yet spacious enough to handle your culinary needs. One standout feature is its 60 programmable memory pads, offering customizable cooking options tailored to your menu. Whether you're defrosting, timing, or programming specific cook settings, this microwave has you covered. And with its 0.6 cubic feet capacity, it strikes a balance between space-saving design and ample room for your dishes. Now, let's talk about durability. With a robust warranty package, including 3 years for parts and labor, and an additional 3 years for the magnetron, you can trust in its longevity. This microwave is built to withstand the demands of a commercial kitchen environment. In terms of power, it operates at 1200 watts, compatible with standard 120V 61 pH voltage, drawing 17.7 amps. Its NEMA 5-20P plug ensures compatibility with most outlets, adding to its convenience factor. But what about performance? The Panasonic NE-12523 doesn't disappoint. It excels in defrosting, cooking, and reheating, thanks to its programmable settings and reliable power output. Whether you're heating up a quick snack or preparing a gourmet dish, this microwave delivers consistent results. Overall, the Panasonic NE-12523 1200-watt compact commercial microwave oven is a top contender in the commercial kitchen scene. Its compact size, robust features, and impressive warranty make it a worthwhile investment for any establishment looking to streamline their cooking process. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.